I'm Dr. Kim. I'm back with more 1 minute music lesson. So this is on the continuation of slurs. We said that composers, by observing how they phrase or how they connect the notes with the slurs, we notice their patterns. Certain composers, their compositional styles vary greatly, so that when you look at Schumann, his short piece called The Melody is very consistent with the counterpoint. And then his other piece, Chrysleriana, the first piece, you'll find that he slurs in a very chaotic manner. So you could see the range of a composer's imagination that way.